Lot 214, the 1927 Rolls-Royce Phantom 1 Playboy Roadster. A Brewster body was installed for the car's second owner, one Mrs. Hovey, a prominent Hollywood screenwriter who bought the car before it was acquired by Warner Brothers, interestingly enough, who in turn used the car in Giant, starring James Dean, and Inside Daisy Clubber, where it was driven by Robert Redford. Prominent Rolls-Royce expert Steve Litton performed the restoration on this outstanding Phantom 1.
Thank you very much, Alan. What can we say? Let's open the bidding here. Here to be sold as well, ladies and gentlemen. Telephones are definitely coming through. Let's open the bidding here at $150,000. 150 to start. 150,000 would like to start me. 150, sir. 150. Thank you. 150,000 I have. At 150,000 in advance at $150,000. So I have $200,000 anywhere in the move now. At 150,000, opening bid and selling already at $150,000. Well, if I have no more bid, ladies and gentlemen, I'm selling the Rolls-Royce at 150. I'm going to start counting it down already. Thank you. $175,000 standing at 175. 200,000 now. 200,000. We're at 175,000. Up to you, sir. You decide. I would certainly be buying a Rolls-Royce at that price. But what do I know? At 175,000. Well, I'm going to sell it then. It's going for the first time. Thank you. 200,000 seated here. 200,000, 225 if you like. We're at 200,000. Well, I have 225 now. That's $200,000 then. Any advance? So $200,000. Well, I'm going to sell. That's 200,000. Then it's on my right here, seated bid, and it's going for the first time, ladies and gentlemen. That's $200,000 only. It's going for the second time. Third and last time. No idea. 220. You're supposed to know this at 220,000. So I have 240,000 now. We're at 220,000 and it's on the telephone. You're out here in the room. So I have $240,000 now. Well, I'm going to sell on the telephone at $220,000. It's going to Shelby for the first time. At $220,000, it's going to Shelby for the second. 240. It's back in the room again at 240,000, 260 if you like now. We're at 240,000, do I have 260? Oh, good. You looked like you were going to bid me there for a second. At 240,000, well, I'm going to sell. 250,000. Extra mile tomorrow running. 250, 260 now. 260 now. Well, they're out inside the room at 250. It's on the telephone, ladies and gentlemen, and it's selling all the way. It's going for the first time. At $250,000 is going for the second time, third and last time. That's 260, 270 now. Nope, you're out. Well, at $260,000, then I'm selling the car on the phone and it's going for the first time. At 260, it's going for the second time, ladies and gentlemen. Third and last time. And if there's still going to bid, are we all done? 275. Interesting. 275. Shelby, do I have 285 now? We're at 275,000. They're back in again. They took a little break, caught their breath, and now they're bidding again at $275,000. Well, I'm going to sell to the room, or I'm going to try to anyway. Not easy. At 275,000, and it's going for the first time. That's 275,000, and it's going for the second time. Last chance, Shelby. Third and last time. That's $275,000 then. Oh, we're all done. All finished. I can't really wait any longer. At 235, well, I'm selling. Sold your car, congratulations. I get 8550.